Today we do the to solve problem about a fraction. Now let's start with the first math. When you see parentheses and multiple, you need to find the first step, the parentheses, and the second you do the multiple. In the parentheses, you see the mixed number. You need to change mixed number to the fraction. You always keep the same denominator. You just change numerator. 2 multiple 4 plus 1. You have numerator 9 over 4. Now, when you have this one, when you have the 9 over 4, you do 9 over 4 minus 1 over 3. When you see the minus or the add, you need to find LCD. LCD means the least common denominator. Now, the first one, you need to find LCD in this math. So you have LCD 4 and 3. 2 multiple 2 multiple 3, you have 12. You have 12 if you do how many times four times you have 12, it means the 4 times 3, right? When you see denominator times 3, it means the numerator keep the same 3. The same. How many times 3 times number equal 12, it means 3 times 4, right? And numerator need to multiple 4. You have the 27 over 12 minus 4 over 12. You have 23 over 12. Okay, you say you finish my answer in the first step, 23 over 12. And the second step, you need to do the multiple. When you have the 23 over 12, multiple 1 over 1, 3 over 4. The first, when you see mixed number, you need to change mixed number to the fraction. Numerator mixed number, this one, 1 multiple 4 plus 3 over 4. You have the 7 over 4. This is the fraction. So you have 23 over 12, multiple 7 over 4. When you see math, divide or multiple, you do math, numerator multiple or divide numerator over denominator, divide or multiple denominator. Different minus or add. And my answer is 161 over 48. This is my answer. Or if you don't want to this one, you can write another. It means you can write a mixed number and you change this one 317 over 48. I verify my answer by 2 answers. The first one 161 over 48 or 370 over 48. The same answer. Now let's another example. When you see this one, when you see this one, you need to find the parentheses, the first step. And the second step, you find you do the divider. Sorry, you do divide the second step. And the last step, you do the add. Now, when you see the another example, you need to find parentheses the first, and you do the divide the second step, and third, you do the plus. Okay? The first step, When you say in the parentheses, you need to change the mixed number to the fraction. 1/5. Numerator 1 multiple 5 plus 1/5. You always keep the denominator. We just change the numerator. You have 6/5. 6/5 plus 1/3. I remind you, when you see the plus, you need to find LCD, right? Okay, LCD, this one, how do you know? LCD, how do you know? Just the 15. 5, you don't, it means the divide something, right? No. 3 the same. How many times 5 multiple number equal 15? 3 times, right? And how many times 3 multiple number equal 15? 3 multiple 5. And you have the 18/15 plus 5/15. You have the 23/15. Oh, you finished the first step. My answer, the first step, 23/15. Now we move the second step. The second step, you need to do the divide. The first, when you see the mixed number, you need to change fraction to 1/3. Numerator 2 multiple 2. Sorry, you need to find mixed number to fraction to 1/2. Numerator 2 multiple 2 plus 1/2. You always keep denominator. You need to change numerator. You have the 5/2. 5/2 divide 23/15. Oh, when you say a divide, you need to reciprocal. It means a flip. Change the. It means when you say this one, you need change this one numerator to denominator. Numerator 5 multiple 15 over denominator 2 multiple 23. You have 75/46. Therefore, my answer, the second step, 75/46. Oh, you finished the second step. Now, finally, you need to do the third step. 75/46 plus 1. Plus 1, it means equal 46. Sorry. 1, it means equal 46/46. Oh, you easier when you do the math. You don't need to find the LCD because when you see the same denominator, it means that this one, the 46, it means the denominator. 75/46 plus 46/46, LCD 46. My answer, third step, I have 121/46. The last answer, or you can write the mixed number. I verify my answer to answer. The first answer, you can write the fraction 121/46, or you can write mixed number to 29/46. Thank you for your listen.